Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a wave background in After Effects. In this tutorial, I used Tao plugin. It's very easy, and let's get started. First I'll add a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60, and duration 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Go to Layer, New, Solid. And I'll name it Tao. Go to Effect, Trapcode Tao. Open Path Generate, set circle to line. Then decrease line point 1 to 130. And line point 2 to 2000. Now open segment. Set segments to 200. Sides 1000. Size Y 70. Size Z 10. Rotate Y 50. Rotate Z 60. Now close segment. Now open fractal displacement. Change amplitude to 585. Also frequency set 0 to 369. I know that's crazy, but trust me. Now I'll go to evolution. Alt-click, then go here and type time times 11 and see. Also go to Offset X. Alt-click, and go here and type time times 222. And this is our animation. Open Material and Lighting. Change color and choose any color you want. Change ambient to 20. Diffuse, set 70 to 514. Open shader, set flat to density. Go to blend, change off to normal. Change normal affect to 60. Now open individual amp and lighting. Change amplitude X to 0. Amplitude Y 60. Amplitude Z to 0. Change frequency X to 10. Frequency Y 30. And frequency Z to 1500. And C. Now go to Tao layer, Ctrl D to copy. Go to change color. Then go to World Transform. Go to W Rotate Center, and increase C. put this Tao layer down. Now add an adjustment layer. Go to Effect, Stylize, and Glow. Increase glow radius to 80. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And goodbye.